Thank you for considering CompuScholar's online computer science and technology application courses for your Proclamation 2024 adoption. This quick video gives you a broad overview of our curriculum and the review samples that we submit to districts. CompuScholar is a publisher of computer science and tech apps courses with a successful 10-year history in Texas. We participated in Proclamation 2014, 2017, and 2024 with many adopted districts throughout the state. Our courses submitted for Proclamation 2024 include technology applications for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, as well as fundamentals of Computer Science 1, and Computer Science 2. We're pleased to report that the State Review Panel found that we have 100% TEKS alignment for each of these subjects. All of our courses are online, so there are no printed components to ship or grow stale over time. If you're looking for courses in similar subject areas like Principles of Information Technology, Web Design, or Video Game Design, our curriculum also has 100% TEKS alignment to those subjects. Our two AP courses, AP Computer Science Principles and AP Computer Science A, have been endorsed by the College Board as high-quality resources for those subjects. We have a variety of licensing options that can be tailored for both large and small districts, and those options include multi-year discounts and unlimited campus licenses. These licenses can be flexibly applied to all of our available courses, so we can easily be your one source for all of your computer science and digital literacy needs. As a cornerstone of our support, CompuScholar offers a variety of free professional development for all teachers, and these programs include free preparation for the Praxis Computer Science exam, so that can be useful if your teachers are trying to get certified to teach computer science. We also offer skill building sessions where teachers can learn any available subject that we offer. And as part of our endorsement by the College Board, we have free professional learning for AP-CSP and AP-CSA. We also release monthly enrichment webinars on a variety of subjects and have a comprehensive new teacher orientation. Let's flip over to our website real quick and I'll show you where to find these items. So from the main CompuScholar page at CompuScholar.com, I'm going to click on For Classrooms. And then you'll see Professional Development at the top. You can select monthly webinars to view prior topics. You can check out our free skill building session. And again, this allows teachers to take an online CompuScholar course for free for a personal interest to build skills in things like Java, C#, Python, web design, and so forth. We also have the previously mentioned professional learning for AP-CSA and AP-CSP, as well as the free Praxis exam prep program. And when you request samples from CompuScholar, that samples document will contain links to all of these programs. As our curriculum is entirely online, we do have free integrations with a number of popular technologies. We can do automatic rostering and single sign-on through Clever and ClassLink. We can also directly integrate our course material into a district-hosted learning management system like Canvas or Schoology. We encourage all districts to request samples from CompuScholar for quick online access for your review team. As you may know, publicly posted samples by the TEA on the TEA's website do not contain protected content like quizzes, tests, answer keys, teacher's guides, and fully coded activity solutions. All these things are part of CompuScholar's turnkey teaching system, and we want you to have access to all course material. Therefore, we highly encourage all districts to request samples from us. If your district doesn't already have these samples, let me show you how to request them. I'm back on our main website at CompuScholar.com/schools. I'm going to go to Standards and State Alignments. Click on Texas. And here you can see all of our alignments for all available curriculum, and you'll want to click on this button to request samples. From here, simply fill out the contact form and send that to us, and we'll respond typically the same day with the PDF that contains an online review login for your district, as well as a list of alignment information and TEKS standards and links to all the getting started and professional development information that I mentioned earlier. Our team will respond to your samples request by email, and that samples PDF will look something like this. At the top is a list of the Texas standards and the different matching CompuScholar titles. In some cases, we have one course that spans multiple standards. In other cases, we have multiple courses that can be used to meet the same standards. so you can mix and match the things that will work for your district. The review login will have access to all available CompuScholar titles, not just the ones that are part of the Proclamation cycle. On the second page, you'll find a login URL, the username and password assigned to your district, and some additional links to getting started information. If you have an hour to spare, you can even watch a recording of the full new teacher professional development and orientation session that we offer to all new teachers at the beginning of the school year. Further down are links to our various professional development opportunities that are free for all teachers. So reviewing our courses is very simple for the Proclamation. Simply use your district assigned review login from that PDF to access each course, and then you can check out the lessons and the alignments. And let me give you a quick peek. This is our login page at learning.compuscholar.com. I'm going to enter the credentials I found here in the PDF. And on the main page, if you scroll down, you'll see all available titles. So there's Tech Essentials, Computer Science Foundations, C# Programming, and Java Programming. And these are the 4 titles that are all part of the Proclamation. And you have access to the additional titles like Digital Savvy, Python Programming, Unity Game Programming, and Web Design that are also available from CompuScholar. Let's check out our Computer Science Foundations course. At the top of each course, you'll see one or more syllabus documents, as well as a quick start review guide. So we advise you to take a look at this quick start guide for reviewers. And you'll also see one or more links to embedded citations. We'll return to these in just a moment. If you scroll down, you'll see chapters and lessons in the middle. You click on a chapter to reach the lessons. As a reviewer, you'll want to be considering the lesson text. So each lesson typically has an instructional video and lesson text. And the lesson text are the TEKS-bearing components that were cited as part of the Proclamation review. So lesson text is your required reading for the students, and you're welcome to look at the instructional videos as well if you like. The videos, where present, are an introduction to the main lesson concepts. Many students will enjoy these audiovisual introductions, but instructional videos are not required to complete any course. With your district assigned review login, you'll have access to the quizzes, the teacher's guides, and the answer keys as well. And again, all this protected content is not part of the public TEA samples. So we want you to use the district review login so you'll have access to all available material. Let's go back to the main page. And at the top, recall that there's embedded citations, so let's take a look at these. These embedded correlations provide you detailed breakouts that were part of the TEA review, as well as a description of the chapter and lesson where we meet those things, and a hot link specifically to that lesson. So if you want to verify job opportunities, for example, you could go to Chapter 29, Lesson 1, and take a look at that lesson to see how we met that particular standard. So if you prefer to review things in TEKS order, namely the way things appear in the TEKS breakouts, you can do so here. If you prefer to simply review things in course order, which is the natural way that students will learn as they go from Chapter 1 onwards, then you would simply start at Chapter 1 and go through things that way. Thank you again for considering CompuScholar's online curriculum for your district. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to answering your questions.